Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a 3-day clean over the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm not cleaning any room in particular, just cleaning some items that need to get cleaned and getting ready for my spring cleaning, which I like to start in March. I bought an Instapot a couple of weeks ago. I've only made a couple of items in it, but the last thing I made Friday morning was egg bites, and I overfilled the silicone molds and they expanded and really made a mess out of the bottom of my pot. So I'm going to show you. I'm just cleaning that. I let it soak for a little bit with Dawn and hot water, and then I got out the SOS pad and scrubbed that down, and then used my hard plastic scraper from Pampered Chef, and it made it look like new. I was very happy with that. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you some items that I like to clean using vinegar and lemons. A great non-toxic cleaner and deodorizer. I'm going to clean my cutting board, I'm going to clean my microwave, and then I'm just going to move around the house and clean some other items that just need to be cleaned. I hope you enjoy the video, everybody. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to show you more videos in the future. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Enjoy the video, everybody. I'll check in with you shortly. And as you can see, all that worked just great. The bowl is like brand new. So when I was done with the Instapot, I took the SOS pad, what was left of it, and just kind of scrubbed down my sink and gave that a good cleaning and rinse. And now I'm going to make my garbage disposal cleaning and deodorizing blocks. I use silicone molds, and I use water, distilled vinegar, and 1 lemon. These are the larger silicone molds. I did recently this weekend buy some molds that are a little bit smaller, easier to manage, and I just feel with these bigger blocks I have to pulse the garbage disposal quite a bit and be very careful not to bend or break my blades. But I fill the molds half with water, half with the white distilled vinegar, and then I cut 1 lemon, squeeze the juice of that lemon into the molds as well. And then I chop up the rind and sprinkle that in there as well. Then I cover it with some saran wrap and put it in my freezer. When they're done, they just pop out super easy, or pretty easy, and I keep them in a Ziploc bag in my freezer. And then I use them about once a week in my garbage disposal, but I also use them as needed if there's anything in there that's just giving me a smell problem. So here they are when they are done. I had made some of these earlier, and see, they pop out pretty good. And then I just keep them in a Ziploc bag. And then, like I said, these are kind of the larger blocks. So when I put them in, I run some warm water, and then I pulse the garbage disposal until it breaks up pretty good. But the ice, again, will clean and sharpen your blades, and then the vinegar and the lemon will clean and deodorize your garbage disposal. Then I took another lemon, and I'm going to clean my wooden cutting boards. So I use a coarse salt, sprinkle that on the cutting board, and then I take the half lemon wedge, and then I squeeze that lemon juice onto the wooden cutting board, and then I actually use the lemon wedge to scrub and clean and, again, deodorize my wooden cutting board. Obviously, you cannot put these in your dishwasher, and you can use a mild dish soap on them, but I try not to do that. I don't cut any raw meats or anything on my wooden cutting boards. I normally just towel dry them and put it away, but today I thought I would sprinkle some salt on there and let it sit for about an hour or so to absorb any moisture that's down there in the wood. I took the remainder of that lemon and then filled a bowl with half with water and half with the white distilled vinegar, and I'm just going to put this in my microwave, put it on high for 5 minutes, let it get nice and hot and boiling, and then when it's done, I'm going to let it steep for a couple of minutes until it cools down just a little bit, but it'll create a nice steam all inside the microwave on the walls and door, as I will show you here. And then I'm just going to wipe that down with a paper towel, again cleaning, deodorizing your microwave. These items like the glass turntable and the little plastic holder, I guess, for that table, I will just clean in the sink like regular. This here is my hover cover. I ordered that off QVC. It has microwave safe covered magnets, and it just magnetizes to the top of your microwave, so you can use it for, protecting your walls from splatter and this, that, and the other. I love it. It's called the hover cover. Another area I use the white distilled vinegar is in my laundry room. I use it when I wash my husband's clothes because, again, it's another good deodorizer and cleaner. It also helps get left-in soap out of clothes. So I use it when I wash jeans, I use it when I wash his work clothes, and I use it when I wash towels. And again, it helps get that extra soap out of there, and it fluffs the towels. Your clothes will not smell like vinegar. I put it directly into the softener dispenser, and it's a fabulous tool in your laundry room. If you don't use it, you should. So today, on Sunday, I am cleaning the much-needed ceiling fans. I have apparently been neglecting my ceiling fans. So I'm doing the ceiling fan that is in between my kitchen and my dining room, and the ceiling fan that is in my living room, and then I'll move on to the inside windows in those same two rooms, the dining room and living room. I really cannot wait till the weather warms up enough so that I can clean the outside windows and clean off my back porch because everything is piled up there. The barbecue pit is up there, and plants are up there, and empty pot plants are back there. I just cannot wait for March so that I can get this back porch cleaned off and all my plants spread out again. Now to clean the iron skillet, I use a cleaning chain that I ordered off Amazon. It's a great scrubber for I think it's made specifically for iron skillets and ironware, and I don't use any soap unless I've got like grease or anything like that in there, but this one we were just heating up some I think some potatoes. So then when you're done cleaning your iron skillet, you should dry it on the stove on high heat. Just put it on there and let it dry naturally with the heat from the stove. And once that's done, I turn that off and then just let that sit and cool off and put it away. And this is how I store my iron chain there. So this ends the 3-day cleaning video. Thank you so much for joining me, everybody. Again, I didn't get any one room clean in particular. I just highlighted some areas and some items that needed to be cleaned, like those neglected ceiling fans. Sorry you had to see that. But I really appreciate you watching my video. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and that bell for notification of new videos. Give me that thumbs up like. I would greatly appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your week, everybody. Bye.